Kitchen.
Today's recipe is Valentine Swiss cake. For this, firstly I will grease an 11 by 8-inch pan tray and with some oil, and now in a paper I will just draw some heart and some strawberries. You can do according to your desire, whatever you want, shapes you want to draw, you can draw. So after that I will just place this above the tray and I will cover it with the parchment paper, and now I will make the batter for the design. I will take 1/4 cup of butter here, and it should be in room temperature, and add round about 3 tablespoons of sugar, powdered sugar into it, and mix it well till the sugar dissolves in the butter. See, my sugar has been dissolved in the butter, and now I will add 1 egg into it and mix it well again. After mixing it well, and now I will add 1 cup of flour into it, and I will sieve it and I will add it into the batter and mix it well. After mixing it well, I will transfer this into 3 separate bowls, and I will add gel color according to my choice into it to make the designs. I'm adding here gel color, 1 drop of green gel color and red gel color and pink gel color. Mix the color well into the batter, and I will take 3 piping bags and I will pour this batter into 3 separate icing bags. My piping bag is ready, and now I will trace out the designs which I have made in the plain paper over the parchment paper. As I have made some strawberries, so I am using this green color and pink heart shaped pink, and just I will cover it with the design, and now I will rest it in the freezer for about 10 minutes to set. After making the design, now I will with my leftover batter, I thought to make some cupcakes, and see, I'm pouring this colored batter into the cupcakes, and I will bake it for 10 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. My Swiss roll batter is ready. Now I will pour the batter over the design pan slowly and bake it for 10 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Spread it all over the tray evenly and tap few times to get rid of the air bubbles and bake it. After 10 minutes, my cake has been done, and now slowly I will remove the parchment paper. When it's hot, you should roll at that time only, and I will take a kitchen towel, and into it I'm dusting some powdered sugar so that it doesn't stick. I will place it over the towel, and slowly I will remove the parchment paper, and when it's hot, at that time only you just have to do this. And I just forgot to take the photo of the rolling, so do roll it when it's hot and leave it for time so that it cools down. And now for the filling, I'm going to take some strawberries, chopped it and add into the pan, and into it I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar into it. Mix it well till it softens, and after it softens, then I'm going to take a smasher and smash it slightly. Don't over smash it, just slightly smash it, and cook it till the water or the moisture reduces. My stuffing is ready, and now I will let it cool down. Now I will take 1 cup of whipped cream and I will beat it till soft peaks come out, and after that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese into it. Mix it well, and I will add sour cream. If you don't find sour cream easily, then you can add hung curd, 2 tablespoons of hung curd. And now mix it well and spread it evenly over the cake or the Swiss roll. And remember, you should leave half an inch from the side and spread it all over. And now I will add the homemade crushed strawberry into it. Spread it evenly over the cream and roll it slowly. As I have forgot to show you that while your cake is hot, at that time you should roll it up. And now slowly just roll. Rolling is very crucial thing now. Tightly roll it over plastic with a plastic wrapper. Cracks may come, but don't worry. Once you tightly roll with a plastic wrapper and keep and rest it in the freezer for about 1 hour, the cracks will be removed. See, there's no any cracks remain, and everything is set now. Now it's time to cut off the side, the edges, and discard the edges, and surprise your loved ones by making your own Swiss roll. It's not that much tough, just need a little bit of patience to make the designs, and everything will go on. My Swiss roll is ready for my loved ones. Do try it, and let's check out my pepper cupcakes, which I have baked it with the leftover batter. See, it has turned out very beautiful. Decorate these small cupcakes with your own design and do serve it, and let me know in the comment section how did you like it and your loved ones' reactions. And stay tuned for more Valentine recipes. Those are very easy. If I can make, I'm sure you can make it better than me. Take care. Bye bye. Till my next video. Stay tuned. And do not forget to subscribe my channel.